At GDC, NVIDIA showcased 2 new demos that highlight what's possible for game developers to achieve on ARM platforms. For the first time ever, we're showing NVIDIA RTX technology running on an ARM device. Paired with an RTX-capable GPU, ARM-based systems are able to deliver RTX features such as real-time ray tracing and DLSS. This is a demo of Wolfenstein Youngblood, running on a system with a MediaTek Companion 1200 ARM processor. It's accelerated by an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and built with help from Machine Games and Bethesda Softworks. An ARM version of this game is not planned for commercial release, but the flexibility and power of the id Tech engine made Wolfenstein Youngblood a natural choice for a demonstration of the technology. Real-time ray-traced reflections greatly improve image depth. Note how puddles reflect light sources such as street lamps, neon storefronts, and blazing fires. Here's a scene from The Bistro, with more than 80,000 illuminated triangles emitting all at the same time, bathing the room in lamplight and sunlight. Every light in the scene is casting shadows. These effects, made possible by RTX Direct Illumination, or RTX-DI, and NVIDIA Real-Time Denoisers, or NRD, create a cinematic quality display. The NVIDIA SDKs used in these demos include RTX-DI, NRD, and RTX-MU, and are available for developers working on ARM and Linux now. RTX GI SDK now supports Linux, and ARM support is coming soon.